Hello, are you struggling with creating your own awesome bass riffs? Well, stick around, I got you covered. Alright, so bass riffs it is. Today you're going to learn 5 bass riffs, and they're going to be over the dominant chords. Dominant sevenths, secondary dominant chords, and everything. So don't worry, secondary dominant chords, same thing, still in the same key. It's just used to lead you to another chord, just to help push chords around in blues and jazz. So don't worry, and if you want to learn more about secondary dominant chords, jump over to iwanttoPlayBass.com, my online bass lessons course, and you'll learn all about them, get some in-depth theory and stuff. Let's get it going. We've got our first riff's going to be, we're going to do everything in the key of G. So this dominant chord, it's going to be, we're going to do D. Now this D, that'll be your D mixolydian. We're staying in the key. We're not going out, but we do have passing tones and leading tones, because this particular riff is a real popular one. It's it's got a lot of chromatic moves in it. So that's all it is right there. Leads you out of it, you know. That one's not hard. It's D, F sharp, G, G sharp, A, C, C sharp, D. So just a lot of chromatic moves. So if you're just playing around, you're 1, 4, 5. And it leads you back. It ends. It's a real good ending line. You can almost end it on it. So that riff there, that's our first riff, just our basic one. Nothing too difficult, just chromatic moves, but a real popular one that you can definitely work off of. Now the second lick is this right here. And all that is just G, D, G, A, D, back to A, slide up to B, hit it twice, then down A to F sharp, and then that F sharp is going to push us back to that G. You can do that as a chord if you want, to spice up a little bit. So that's all that is. Okay, so a little fun there, just pretty much perfect fit. That one stays right in the mixolydian for sure, mixolydian scale. So lick number 3 is just, it's just like a whole step move here. So it's just D, D, E, G, A, B, E, pull off B, E, D, B, A, G, E. So that's all that one is. So that's bass riff number 3. So that's a fun one, you know, just that's kind of more of your pentatonic. Now the fourth one, now this one I used in that bass line. You just and that's just going to be F, G, B to C, G, A, E, D. Not too bad there. That one's kind of fun. It's nice. That one comes around pretty good. I like that one. Then we've got the last one. So that's just basically right here. And then we walk down the major scale, the G major scale. So that's all that one is, just D. So then we just got this. This will be our fifth lick. So it just goes with D, octave D, jump to E to F sharp, hammer to F sharp on, open D, and then we just do the G major scale walk, skipping the second. You can do pull-offs there. Preferably to pick it. Five nice ones you can use all the time. This one's a standard. That's a standard one. So you can just, and then you've got the second one. Now you can do, that's kind of more, you can use that like a rock one with just the fifth and the octaves. It's not a, not necessarily a jazz one. You do use that seventh, but you can use that anywhere. And then you can just do that. That'll give it a little character. Just do that little chord there. So we've got our third one. That's a good one. It's kind of just rolls. You can use that rock. You can use these licks in any genre you want. They'll work. Just this one here, more of a blues jazz feel genre. So then our fourth one, nice little one there. Then we've got our last one, real melodic line. That D, that note right there. I love that F sharp and that D. So that's it. If you haven't yet subscribe down below and hit that bell notification. I've got lots more of this stuff coming up. We've got a bass guitar solo pieces coming out. I'm doing transposing sax solos down the bass lines, bass solos, and that's pretty cool. You can use those ideas in your own for sure. They've got some sax solos are pretty cool, and they've got good phrasing, and they're fun to use. But that's coming up, so you'll get notified when that comes out. And leave me a comment. Let me know what you thought. Look forward to seeing y'all around. All right. Thank you. We'll walk out on this.